How to add gift cards in Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home page. Here on the right bottom, you can find this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. So this is the section where you can add different wallets. Here you can find a section of gift card. Simply tap on gift card. Now on the top, you can directly search for the gift card that you want to add. Here you can easily customize and find the one that you're looking for. So after you do this, simply tap on it. Now enter all the details in order to use this gift card. So after doing this, you'll be able to easily add on it and later get different benefits of using this gift card. So at last, you can simply add to wallet and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.